Tonight, we're learning much more about a hepatitis C scare at a local hospital.
That's right. Administrators at PeaceHealth Southwest Medical Center in Vancouver say more than 900 people now need to be tested. Amy Frazier is live outside the hospital with more on this health alert. Amy?
Kelly, today I met with the CEO of the hospital. He tells me there remains concerns that a former employee here may have exposed patients to hepatitis C, although at this point there's still no solid evidence, only suspicions. Now authorities are asking more than 900 patients to get tested.
We are going to do whatever we can to make sure that every one of those 936 people gets notified.
Health officials have started sending out this letter warning hundreds of PeaceHealth Southwest Medical Center patients that they may have been exposed to hepatitis C during their care over the last 2 years.
And those are patients who were in the care of this former employee and who were administered drugs during the course of their care.
I found out back in February, some caregivers reported that the employee might be diverting patient drugs for their own personal use. I wanted to know how that could impact a patient. Authorities gave a general example.
Goes ahead and gives themselves an injection with part of the dose, then removes the needle from their arm and then gives the rest of the dose to a patient.
During the investigation, authorities learned the same employee had cared for a patient diagnosed with hepatitis C after a hospital stay back in August of 2012.
We don't know from lab results if there was a match or there was not.
Authorities tell me they believe the risk of potential exposure is low. At the same time, they want patients cared for by this former employee to get tested.
Is that person being held accountable? What's happening with that?
So let me repeat what I've said before. We do not have any evidence at this point that this employee actually infected or exposed somebody else. So that's part of the investigation that's ongoing. If that were to be determined, down the line, I would imagine there should be some accountability.
Now, the hospital has set up 3 special locations where patients notified can get tested. We have those locations for you up on the screen. We've also posted them for you at KOIN.com, and I'll be checking back with authorities to find out the test results when they come in. Reporting live in Vancouver, Amy Frazier, KOIN 6 News.